Hello everyone. Recently, India, Brazil, South Africa leaders meeting has happened on the sidelines of G20. India has urged for the United Nations Security Council reforms, and it also fostered for the global peace. Now, India highlighted the IBSA's role in shaping the trustworthy human-centric artificial intelligence reforms. Now, what are the other proposals by India? The first one is the institutionalizing the dialogue between the national security level leaders. This would enhance the cooperation between the security forces of different countries. The second one was the IBSA's Digital Alliance. India has focused on sharing the digital public infrastructure to these countries so that the technology would be integrated with the governance. India also proposed for the Climate Resilience Fund. Now, when was this IBSA formed? It was formed in 2003 as a forum between the major global south countries, that is India, Brazil, and South Africa. These three countries belong to three different continents, and also they are the one of the largest democracies on world. Two major initiatives of IBSA. The first one is the IBSA Trust Fund. This has been allocated funds for the least developing countries. The second one is the IBSA MAR, that is the Maritime Cooperation, the exercise. This is done between India, Brazilian, and South African Navy. Do let me know in the comment section where is G20 being conducted this year. Thank you.